In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the safe chat on Roblox. So first of all, if your application is open and Roblox is open here, you just need to close this application altogether because we will do these settings in the browser, okay? So here we head over to roblox.com. Hopefully you should be already signed in, but if not, you just simply log in with your username and password. And here we will head over to the right hand corner where we see the settings. Click on that and head over to the settings again. And here we will see this option which says privacy and content majority. And here we will see the option of privacy and content restrictions. We will click on that. And from here, we will select communication. And we click on experience chat and just make sure that the experience chat is set to on. So we continue with that. It will use your camera for the age check. Click continue. And once the verification is done, click OK. And then you can turn on the experience chat option. Also, the direct chat needs to be enabled. We need to turn this on. Just make sure that your age is 13 or 13 plus. Otherwise, you won't be able to enable this option. It will online verify with your camera to check and identify your age. And also we get back to privacy and content restrictions. We click on the communication and this time we will also select party. So we need to turn both of them on as well. And once you make all of these 4 changes, it will automatically disable or turn off the safe chat in Roblox. After that, you should be able to chat in any games you play on Roblox. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.